Hello everyone, good morning. It's Lara FX Academy, and today we are going to be discussing about the BNB, understand, which is the Binance Coin slash the USDT. You can see it here, BNB USDT. So now we are basically trying to understand the Binance Coin slash the USDT in order to check and understand the price movement of this particular coin. Now, what can we easily see from the bottom level? We can see, because while analyzing the market, I always tell you guys one thing we do is we have to look at the market from the level it has created for us, and we use that, we add that up onto the current price. Now, we had a break of structure at this point, which is nice, and we also had another break of structure at this point. Now, one thing you would agree with me happened during this break of structure was, after price gave us a break of structure, it reacted from the swing low to the swing high. And you can see our setup actually played out here again, where we'll be looking out to take a buy from this particular point. And this happened around 2020, where we'll be looking out to take our buys from the 0.618 level, and 0.79 level, and okay, I don't know why this guy is, so hold on guys, let me adjust this to, okay, good. So okay, oh, sorry about that. Let's see. Let's get back to what we're analyzing. Yeah, good. So now the BNB stock, I say stock, sorry about the BNB currency, you get cryptocurrency. We simply had price give us its point of entry at this point. Now that zone is a very important level where we look out for entries on the market. And why it's so interesting for us is this: price gave us the kind of reaction we want to see in the market. And what happened around that, you can see what happened. Price got into our level, reacted from that point, and rallied to the upside. So any person who took trade here would actually just take profits here, and they would simply allow the market to do its thing. And yes, the market really did its thing, in the sense that, click on this, you would now see that from that particular price, market pumped massively to the upside. Now, after it pumped massively to the upside, it actually has not given us any current break of structure at this price. Okay, currently we just got a break of structure, and then what can we clearly see? We can see this particular low has been tested multiple times. This low has been tested multiple times. So we are basically working with, let me remove this guy. So we are basically working with this high. So we are working with this high and the low. So now, working with the high and the low, it actually gives us a better understanding about the market. You understand? So it gives us a better understanding about the market, helps us to understand where we are looking out, or what we are looking out for this particular pair to do. Now, based on the level of information we have, let me see. It says no internet connection. I don't know why that's a problem. Okay, I've reloaded it. Sorry, I'll have to reload this chart so we work with a functioning chart, guys. Sorry about that. So, okay, good. BNB USDT, very good. So it's loading up. Yeah, so basically we can clearly see on this market chart that there's a level of low, which is you can see it. We have a low and a high, which we can call our resistance point. Now, one thing we can easily see on this market is it is currently on a range. So what will you expect this market to do before we can engage in this particular market? Now, I will go to a smaller time frame and show you the reason why possibility for buys were at this particular price point, and it might rally into the side and break. But then on the overall side, we actually want to see price rally to the upside, drop into this area, and then give us the next rally, creating the new phase in this particular market. But then while we wait for that in the market, I would simply adjust this to, and then let's go to the weekly time frame. I want to show you what happened around this point. So on the weekly time frame, if I should make my chart a little bit clearer, you can see clearly that you won't really understand what happened here, though we can now go to the daily time frame so that maybe you can get the point clearly. Now, what happened here was this. We had a tiny break of structure around here, and now we had a swing. We have our swing low to our swing high. So having marked that swing low to swing high, we can now clearly see that price respected this level, which is at 0.618 level, and then from that point has been rallying to the upside. Now this is the final take profit level, which price has not hit. We still expect it to get into this price point. Now on smaller time frames, you can just come and pick your entry at this point, trade it to the upside, and you'll be making reasonable profit. So I would simply mark this point out and then adjust this guy into this area, and I will remove this. So let's go to the smaller time frame and understand what happened here. We have a clear break of structure at this point. So what do? We would simply, and we have a liquidity grab also at this particular price point, which created a break of structure. So that helps us a lot because that will clearly help us understand what we are looking at on the smaller time frame. Now, having understood that we had a break of structure to the upside at this price point, which is this, we had our liquidity grab at this price point. So what are we simply going to be looking out for? We are simply going to be looking out from our swing low to our swing high. Now, having this, we are clearly expecting price to, so we expect this price to drop into this level or this level, understand, and then rally to the upside, helping us to get to this point, which will be our take profit. Now the overall take profit is actually this this minus 0.2 level, which is at this particular price. Yeah, so this is what we'll be looking at for our overall take profit. So we actually would simply just wait for price to drop into this level, and then we can look out for taking our buys into this point and then finally to the upside. Remember, we are on the smaller time frame in order to take the right entry, in order to look for a smaller and exact entry. Now sometimes you may still need to go lower, but I just say based on this liquidity graph, we are going to be working with this oversold level, the 0.618 level or the 0.79 level for our entry. So this is what we have for the BNB USDT pair, cryptocurrency pair. Do have a wonderful day, guys, and make use of this information to enrich yourself and get better information and knowledge on the financial market. Please do subscribe to my channel in order to help support our group. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you gain knowledge from this particular video, give us a like, and we would all appreciate that. Thank you. If you have any questions or you have any pair you would like us to analyze, please drop them on the comment section. I will do well to look at them and also give our reference my trade idea on those particular pairs, and I hope it does help you guys. Peace, one love. Larry FX Academy.